Welcome back to Word and Speak, the podcast where we learn English through simple, natural conversations. Today's topic is spending time in nature. And trust me, nature is the best therapist. Plus, it's free.
Exactly. When life feels stressful, just touch a leaf. Boom, instant peace. Okay, maybe not instant, but it definitely helps.
So, Ryan, how often do you spend time in nature?
Honestly, not enough. I'm always busy with work, filming, editing. My eyes see more screens than trees.
Same here. But whenever I go for a walk in the park, I feel refreshed. The fresh air, the green trees, the birds, it's like my brain gets a soft reset.
I know. Nature has a calming effect. Even spending 10 minutes outside can improve your mood.
What's your favorite nature activity?
Definitely walking. It's simple, relaxing, and you don't need to be an athlete.
What about you? I love sitting near water, a lake, river, anything. The sound of water makes me so peaceful.
That's true. There's a special kind of silence in nature that you can't find in the city.
Okay, listeners, here are some useful words for today's topic. 1. Peaceful, calm. 2. Refresh, to feel new energy. 3. Calming effect, something that makes you feel relaxed. 4. Wildlife, animals living in nature. 5. Fresh air, clean, natural air. 6. Surroundings, the things around you.
Try using these words when you talk about nature.
Okay, spending time in nature helps your mind, body, and creativity.
Yes, it reduces stress, improves focus, and even helps you sleep better.
Plus, nature reminds us that life doesn't always have to be fast. Sometimes slowing down is the best thing you can do.
All right, listeners, today's speaking practice question is, how do you feel when you spend time in nature?
Answer in the comments using at least 2 new vocabulary words from today's lesson.
Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode and want more simple English podcast lessons,
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
and remember, go outside for a few minutes today. Your mind will thank you.
See you in the next episode of Word and Speak. Bye!